Welcome back to Smart Finance UK. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Let me ask you a question. If you had to build your first $10,000 from zero, where would you even start? Would you simply try to save more money? Start investing? Find a side income? Or maybe do all three? In today's video, I'm going to show you a realistic step-by-step framework for building your first $10,000 without relying on get-rich-quick schemes. And stay until the end, because I'll show you how to turn this $10,000 goal into a much bigger long-term financial plan. Before you try to make more money, you need to know where your money is currently going. Take your last 30 days of spending and divide it into three categories: needs, wants, and unnecessary expenses. You may be surprised by how much money disappears through small purchases, subscriptions, eating out, shopping, and impulse spending. The goal isn't to stop enjoying your life. The goal is to understand your cash flow, because you can't build $10,000 if you don't know where your money is going. Now break the $10,000 goal into smaller targets. $10,000 sounds like a huge number, but $10,000 over 12 months is about $833 per month. Over 24 months, it's about $417 per month, and over 36 months, it's about $278 per month. Suddenly, the goal looks very different. This is why breaking a large financial goal into monthly targets can make it easier to plan. The next step isn't necessarily cutting everything you enjoy. Instead, look for expenses that give you very little value. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Reduce unnecessary impulse purchases. Compare insurance, phone and internet plans where appropriate, and create a spending limit for non-essential purchases. But remember, saving money has a limit. You can only cut your expenses so far. That's why the next step may be even more important. If you want to reach $10,000 faster, don't focus only on spending less. Focus on earning more, depending on your skills and situation. That could mean freelancing, overtime, consulting, selling digital products, creating content, or building another legitimate income stream. The internet has made it easier than ever to access global customers, but don't believe anyone promising thousands of dollars overnight. Building a valuable skill takes time. Your goal should be to create income that you can realistically repeat and improve. Here's a simple strategy that can make saving easier. Pay yourself first. Instead of spending your entire paycheck and saving whatever is left, decide on a savings amount in advance. Then move that amount into a separate savings account as soon as you get paid. Automation can reduce the temptation to spend money that you've already decided to save. The exact amount depends on your income and expenses. What matters most is creating a system you can maintain. Before taking unnecessary investment risks, you also need to think about emergencies. What happens if your car breaks down, you lose your job, or you suddenly face a large unexpected expense? Without an emergency fund, you might be forced to sell investments at the wrong time or take expensive debt. That's why your financial plan should include an appropriate emergency reserve based on your personal circumstances. Once your financial foundation is in place, you can start thinking about investing for long-term goals. Investing can potentially help your money grow over time, but it also involves risk. Markets go up, markets go down. There are no guaranteed returns. That's why your investment strategy should match your goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. And remember what we discussed in our previous video. You don't need to start with thousands of dollars. The important thing is understanding what you're investing in and why. If you're trying to reach your first $10,000, avoid these three mistakes. Number 1, lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, don't automatically increase your spending. Number 2, trying to get rich quickly. High returns usually come with higher risk. Number 3, comparing yourself to people online. You don't know their income, debt, savings, family situation, or financial history. Build your own financial plan. So here's the simple framework. Step 1, track your money. Step 2, set a realistic monthly target. Step 3, reduce unnecessary expenses. Step 4, increase your income. Step 5, automate your savings. Step 6, build an emergency fund. And finally, when your financial foundation allows it, invest for your long-term goals. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a plan you actually follow for months and years. Your first $10,000 isn't just a number, it's proof that you can control your cash flow, build discipline, and create a financial system. And once you reach that first major milestone, the next $10,000 can become easier because you've already built the habits. Don't focus only on becoming rich. Focus on becoming financially stronger every month. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to Smart Finance UK. And comment below, how long would it take you to save your first $10,000? 1 year, 2 years, or longer? There is no wrong answer. Build your plan, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.